morning students, Sai Ram. Welcome back once again. How are you all? I hope you all are well and safe at your places. So let's start our today's class. First, sit in any comfortable pose. Place your both hands in a Gyan Mudra and keep your back straight and close your eyes. One time deep inhale and exhale. Now start 3 round Om chant. One round Gayatri mantra. Om Bhurabhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Now, rub your palm gently. Place it over your eye on your face. Today we are going to do Ardha Chandrasana according to the variation old and new. So before that you can do another asana which we have done previous to warm your body. So let's start. So first stand on your mat.
Stand straight with the feet together. Now bring your right leg forward. Now inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, bend forward. Place your fingertips on the floor. Now move your body weight on your right leg and raise your left leg up at the back and straight your left hand up vertically. Hold this position for the few seconds. Look up towards your left palm. Hold here with the normal breathe for the few seconds. After few breathe, now bring your left palm on the mat. Slowly exhale, bring your left leg also on the mat. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, bring your hands down. Take your right leg back. Now from the opposite side, again stand straight with the feet together. Now this time bring your left foot forward and exhale, bend forward, place your fingertips on the floor. Now move your body weight on your left leg and raise your right leg up. Now straight your right hand up vertically. Look towards your right palm and hold this position for the few seconds with the normal breathe. Now bring your right hand down on the mat. Slowly right leg down. Now inhale, come up. Exhale, bring your left leg back. Now deep inhale and exhale, relax here for the few seconds. Now the second variation of Ardha Chandrasana. So come at the end of your mat. Stand straight. Bring your left foot forward. Now bend your knee. Place your fingertips beside the left foot and take your right leg back. Drop your knee on the mat. Flat your foot. Now from here, inhale, raise your arms up. Join your both palm above the head. Now arch little bit back. Hold this position here. Look up towards the sky. Now arch as much as you can arch back. hold with the normal breathe. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly inhale, come at the center. Now exhale, bring your hands down, fingertips on the mat. Now tuck your toe in, raise your middle body up, straight your knee, come up. Now turn your left foot towards the left direction, bend your knee, take your left foot as much as back, fingertips on the floor, drop your knee, flat your foot of your left. Now from here, inhale, raise your arms up, join your both palm in a namaskar. Now exhale, bend back, arch little bit back. Again, hold this position here for the few seconds with the normal breathe. Stretch your side, arch back. Now slowly inhale, come at the center. Exhale, place your palm, fingertips on the floor. Now tuck your toe in, raise your middle body up, straight your knee. Now exhale, bring your hands down, come at the center. Bring your both feet together, relax here. Ardha Chandrasana help to strengthen the abdomen, ankle, thigh, buttock and spine. It helps to improve coordination and sense of balance, and also help to improve the digestive system.